In this video, I'm going to show you how to add custom sounds to your Model S, Model X, Model Y, or Model 3 Boombox application. To do this, you're going to need a USB drive and a computer. In this case, I'm going to use the USB drive that I use for my Sentry mode. Now, you're going to have to format this drive, so it's very important that if you have any videos on there, you back them up first, or you can just use a new drive altogether. Now, in this case, I want to have this drive record my Sentry mode videos and have custom boombox. So to have those custom boombox sounds and your Tesla video, you're going to have to partition the drive. Now to do that, you insert your USB drive, you right click on the Windows Start icon, and then you click on Disk Management. Once you're in Disk Management, it'll display all the hard drives and USB drives on your computer. In this case, the only thing I have plugged in is my USB drive down here. You can see I have unallocated space. So if you don't have unallocated space, you're going to right click here and then you're going to hit delete volume or delete partition. But since it's already unallocated, I'm going to hit new simple volume. Next. So I don't want to take all of the space of the drive. I want to save some space for my boombox music. So I'm going to go ahead and delete 80 megs from here. That way it leaves 80 megs for another volume for me to create later. I'm just going to click next through this. Now this is important. Change file system from NTFS to either FAT or EXFAT. I'm going to use this volume because it's larger for my Tesla cam, so I'm going to label it Tesla cam. Leave everything default, click next, finish. And there we go. There's my Tesla cam partition just for my cameras in Sentry mode. All right, now this last little bit, this 81 meg unallocated space, we're going to create another simple volume. Click next. And here's the 80 megs, just a little less, but the 80 megs we need. Leave it all as the default. Same thing, change it. In this case, we're going to make it FAT for the file system, and then we're going to call this Boombox. All right, next, finish. Great. Now we have our two partitions, Tesla Cam and Boombox. I'm going to go ahead and close Disk Management. Now I backed up my Tesla Cam footage before I did this, so I'm going to go back into my open Tesla Cam partition and I'm just going to move my Tesla Cam folder over. If you didn't do this on the Tesla Cam partition, you need to create a folder called Tesla Cam, otherwise your Sentry mode is not going to work. Alright, so Tesla Cam is now set up. Now on to Boombox. Now this step is very important. These are all my Boombox files. These are going to be my custom sounds. There can't be any spaces in the name. So originally, I tried to do this, and there were spaces in between StarCraft, for example, StarCraft and Spy, and Boombox couldn't pick it up. So remove all the spaces and make sure these are MP3 files. I'm going to drag Boombox in here. So if you don't already have a Boombox folder, just right click and create one and label it Boombox. This is the directory you're going to put everything in. When you're done, you should have something like this: a Boombox partition and a Tesla Cam partition. Now what you want to do is eject it from your computer. Oh, wrong button. I'm not a professional YouTuber, people, as you can tell. What's going on here? Oh, I'm right clicking, that's why. Okay. Alright, eject device. Perfect. Now I can take my thumb drive out. I'm going to put it into the car. There we go. Alright, we look up at the screen. There we go. So you can see my Sentry mode is back on. And down here, if I click on the menu, I scroll to the bottom, there are my theme songs. Jetsons car. Terminator theme. That's it. That's how you do it. I'm sure somebody else can create a nicer video, but for those of us that just got this holiday update and want to do it right now, I hope this video helps you. Take it easy.